So in regard of sending token to the Binance, like people have been saying, so me whether like I didn't confirm it, but like obviously right today I have confirmed it, like it is not gonna happen like sending token to the Binance. Like you cannot send token to the Binance without being like assign a contract with Paws between Paws and Binance exchange. So I definitely like if you didn't like if the Paws and Binance are not assigned any contract, like they sign an agreement like to launch their token on the Binance. So how could you send your token to the Binance? So people have been saying that right today, like on this 14th, we are going to send our token to the Binance, which is not really gonna happen. But without being saying much, if this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's quickly go into our video so that we may see like what is happening regarding the sending token to the Binance. Make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end so that you may not miss any update regarding the first listing and first sending token to the Binance or OKX. So regardless of this, like I have been like seeing people that are like sharing the update, they share update in regard of this account, of this X account, which is 1024OX. So obviously, like as people are didn't like assured that this account like OS 1024, it is not account that assigned with the force.community. Like the other account that is assigned with the force.community has been already been deleted, passed for the X account, for the X platform. So X, they have deleted his account because he's violate an X rule and regulations. So let's scroll down so that we may see like the update that has been shared to his like community. Me, I'm not in part of his community because this account was a fake account. This is it's a spam account that he used to copy like an update and share it to the community without being confirmed. So let's scroll down and see. So this one, like this one, it is like the update that the people have been like sharing to their like WhatsApp group or Telegram group, like claiming are gonna be starting with 14 February from 14 April to 15 April, like sending token to the Binance, like it can be starting with this day, which like I'm assured that it's not gonna happen without being like an agreement between Paws and Binance. Binance are not gonna list post token right now, but we don't know in the future. Maybe they are going to list it in the among of the token that are going to be tradable on the spot or futures, like or any other trade that they have. Let's get back into the X account for the first, because like any update that you see like which is not from this account, it is I will advise you, don't take that update for granted, or don't take that update to be a true for you. So as you can see, like here is the X account for the first.community, which is they have 600, they have 660k followers. So here is the X account. Any relevant like update they have been getting from like except this account and except admin agent, it is a fake announcement or fake update that they used to spamming it, that they used to spamming the community. So here it is. I think here is all what I want to share with you guys in this video. This video like is to make you to stay safe, stay careful, so don't fall for a scam. If you like been encountered with any spam announcement or any spam like link to go and connect your wallet, please don't connect your wallet. They are going to scam you. So let's go and check the X account for the admin agent. Is one of the like X false official. So here is the X account for the admin agent. Only those two accounts. It is the main account that you can like and hear an announcement from the force, so that like you can believe it without being complicated. It is not don't compromise yourself. Yes, yeah, it is. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.